Well, we're down to 16 chickens. I've got to do something. This time there's evidence that there was some foul play. There's feathers, and I know they're not molting feathers. They're scattered all over the place. Some in here. I don't think anything is getting in and grabbing the chicken. I believe that it's a predatory bird. So I'm going to have to rearrange some stuff and get this run covered. So I'll let you see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I've got it completed, at least for now. It's a smaller run, but it is enclosed on the top now, so bird of prey cannot get to my chickies. I had to finish up with some, this is landscape cloth, but I did what I could with what I had. I will replace that with some hardware cloth or some more fencing when I get it. But this here was a quick fix for the chickens. And that'll keep anything from attacking from above. So hopefully the little birdies will stay safe. Also, while I was down here working on this, I heard some cackling going on and got my first egg. Yay! Good job, ladies.